Do ManyChat's metrics have you feeling confused and a little bit lost? Are you looking for a simple way to track your leads and your conversions without having to rely on ManyChat's inbuilt metrics alone? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using something called conversion events in ManyChat. Are you ready to get this done? Let's do it. So here I am in my ManyChat account. I have this demo flow built out to show you how I would track my conversion events. Now, a conversion event could be anything from a purchase to a lead and even different kinds of leads, right? You might be asking your users for their email in one place or their SMS in a different place. And both of those events would lead to a lead event. But one of them is an email lead more specifically, and the other is an SMS lead. And it's totally up to you if you'd like to just count them all as leads or if you would like to track them separately. In my case, I do like to track them separately. So let's go ahead and see how I would set up a conversion event for an email lead. So here you can see that I'm asking my user for their email. And once they give that to me, I know that I want to log that as an email lead conversion event. So I would simply go to action on reply and create a new action there. And the action is log conversion event right here. So you will need the pro account for this. And once you do that, it'll prompt you to select the conversion event that you want to log. You can either create a new one here or select one that you've previously made already. In my case, I know that I have one already, so I have lead email. So that's the conversion event that I'm going to track, and that's it. Now I have other things going on in this flow, so ManyChat isn't going to let me publish this flow, unfortunately, but normally I would say go ahead and publish it. And then when you start to have contacts going through your flow and giving you their emails, they will be logged as a lead email conversion event every time they give you their email in this step. Now let's take a look at how I actually track those numbers. So if you go into your dashboard and look for this little tab called metrics, you can scroll down and you see a section called conversion events. And this is where the magic happens because this isn't something that you can do anywhere else in ManyChat. So if you're just looking at their metrics, you're missing out a little bit because it doesn't allow you to select a date range, which you can then match to your Facebook ad campaigns to see which ads brought in however many leads for which time period, right? All of those things are really important when we're running ads to see how successful they are. So that's what you can do over here. So you can go ahead and select the date range. So if you're looking at your ad performance from the last 7 days to see how much you may have spent on your ad campaigns, you can go ahead and say last 7 days in here as well, apply it, and this is a new account and a new flow, so nobody's actually gone through this particular one yet, so we're not going to see any numbers here just yet. But if this were a live campaign, this is where I would see it. So you can come down here under custom events, look for lead email, which is what we just set up. And here it's showing 0 because we literally just set it up and this is a new account. But if you had any lead email conversion events for this time period, they would show up right here. Let me know how you're using lead conversion events and conversion events in general in your campaigns, and let me know how this method works out for you down in the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.